So hi friends, welcome back to MDA workshops. Today we are going to make motion detection alarm or anti-theft alarm. As you all know that we have started a new series regarding science fairs, right? Guys, this is part 2. Have you watched part 1? Part 1 is how to make fire alarm. Part 2 is how to make motion detection alarm. And can you guess what is part 3? So comment below too. Let's get started.
6 volts buzzer, which is available in offline and online market. 6 volts 18650 battery pack. PIR sensor. All components are linked in description. BC547 transistor. LED 3 volts. Switch. Foam board pieces.
So guys, this is the smart dustbin made by MDA workshops. If you want this video, comment below, and target for this video is 30 likes. Make sure you like this video.
So follow the full process and check the description for the circuit diagram. It would be easy to make it at home. So guys, I think you can see here two potential meters orange color. So we can adjust the time length and duration of the light and distance of the object.
So guys, thanks for watching videos. For our small hard work, you give thumbs up button. It will be helpful for us and it motivates for us. Thank you. Thanks for watching MDA workshops.